Classification of computers. Learning about the classification of computers. Hello friends. There are different types of computers having varied features. Based on their size and performance, computers can be classified into the following types: microcomputers, 2. Mini-computers, 3. Mainframe computers, and 4. Supercomputers. First one is microcomputer. A microcomputer is a computer in which the CPU is a microprocessor. Microcomputers are cheap and easy to use. They are designed to be used by one person at a time. So they are also known as single-user computers. They are mainly used in offices and homes. All personal computers, that is PCs, laptops, notebooks, and personal digital assistants, that is PDAs, are examples of microcomputers. Notebooks or laptop computers have become very popular in recent times. A laptop is a light, small-sized computer with the power of PC. It can run on a rechargeable battery. You can carry it anywhere you go. Traveling executives find it very convenient to carry all their work in notebooks. The Personal Digital Assistant, that is PDA, is a handheld PC. It can fit into your palm. You can work on it by touching a button or by writing directly on the screen with a stick. When a computer is used to run another machine or appliance, it is known as the embedded computer. Nowadays, computers are found in almost all gadgets like washing machines, watches, television, and even cars. Mini-computers. Mini-computers are more powerful than microcomputers. They are multi-user systems. It means that many people can use one machine at the same time. The storage capacity of mini-computers is larger than microcomputers. For example, PDP-11 and VAX 7500. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are very large and powerful computers. Hundreds of people can use them at the same time. They work at great speed and can handle a lot of data. Examples of mainframe computers are VAX 8842 and CDC 6600. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the most powerful of all the computers. They are also the most expensive computers. They have several processors which make them very powerful and fast. Supercomputers are used in areas like weather forecasting, nuclear science, seismology, etc. A few well-known supercomputers are CRAY-XMP, CRAY-2 and CRAY-3. Param is a supercomputer which has been designed in India. Summary. We have learned the different types of computers having varied features based on their size and performance. It was very interesting to learn about different computers. Keep learning and good going.